Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting video where I'll be showing today how can you send an email from Python. I'll be showing you a demo where I've integrated it with Streamlit as well. Okay, so first we'll quickly jump to the prerequisite. First of all, the prerequisite for sending a mail via Google account is your Google account should be two-step verified. Okay, so if you go to myaccounts.google.com and go to security, you should have this two-step verification on. Okay, that's the first prerequisite. Okay, once that two-step verification is on, you need to go to app passwords and you will generate a password for your mail. Okay, that is specific to your app password. So a new password would be generated which you can configure in your code. I'll give you a demo of a web application that I've created, which is a mail trigger web app, which will have a very basic one, which will have two fields to whom your email need to be sent. So I have created as a semicolon separated fields. Okay, you can see it in the placeholder as well. Receivers of the mail with a semicolon separated. Just write the subject of the email. Okay, and then you can either send a mail with attachment or without attachment. So once you click to attachment, you can actually send a mail with attachment or without attachment. In the attachment part, you can just select any file, then click to proceed. You can write the mail body like, hi, please find the attached file, this is a system generated message, please don't reply to this email, thank you. Here make sure to put this break symbol, because the mail that you'll be sending would be in a form of HTML. So once you'll be writing this part, it will come in a very ordered way. Okay, just write the message. Okay, then click on send mail. Once you'll click on send mail, you will see my email. Currently no emails are there. Okay, see, just now a message came, hi, please find the attached file, this is a system generated message, please don't reply, and that BR are coming as a break lines. If it is sent as an attachment. If you don't want to send it as an attachment, just uncheck that, and then you can write the body, hi, this is a system generated message, please don't reply to this email. There is no attachment here. Okay, and then click on send mail. You will see no emails as of now, and then a new mail came, this system generated message. Okay, I'll quickly go to the code section. In the code section, if you will see in the mail trigger, one is mail config file I have kept, where I have just kept the username and password. The password is what you will get from the app password. Okay, and the username, your email ID. Just put those two files in the mail config file. Okay, then go to the main files. In this main file, I'm importing this mail ID from mail config. I'm importing mail from and mail password. Okay, then the main libraries that are used to send an email are smtp library, email.mime.text, import mime text, then mime application, then mime multipart. Okay, these are the four main libraries that I'm using in the code. Okay, the rest as you would have seen in my previous codes. So I'm then defining, if you go, I'm defining some static paths here, and I'm defining my web app title, my marquee text, my username, my HTML, all this part I'm defining the static path. Okay, then this is the main function which you will be calling. You can call this function whenever you want to trigger a mail. It can be like if you want to check some daily at some point of time, run the code and attach some file automatically. So you can utilize this particular functionality as per your requirement in your particular code as well. Here I'm just triggering that mail on a click of a button, but you can change that trigger thing based on your input. If you want to check for some input, just if that condition matches, then send this mail. Okay, so here I've created a function called send Gmail, where I'm taking in input as recipients, which would be the semicolon separated email IDs. Okay, then subject would be the mail subject. Mail content is the body of that mail. Okay, sender address is the address, the username actually, from whose account you will be sending the mail. Then what is the password for that sender. Okay, file path and file name. So the location of the attachment would be the file path, and the name of the attachment would be the file name. So first of all, what I'm doing, I'm creating an email list which I'm splitting based on semicolon, and then creating a list of email IDs. Then I'm creating a message whose starting will be multi-part. Then I'm adding details like what is the subject of that particular message, then from address to address. Okay, then I'm giving a multi-part message. I'm adding the text part, mail content, converting into an HTML. Okay, then I'm attaching this particular content with this message. Okay, now if you are attaching a particular file, then this file path would not be null, otherwise it would be null. So if it is not none, then I'm reading that particular file path, getting that particular file, and attaching that to the message. Okay, once everything is done, then I'm utilizing smtp.gmail.com. This is specific to Gmail. For Yahoo or for others, it is different. Okay, it is, I guess, smtp.yahoo.com, similarly for others as well. And then 587 is the port number I'm using. A server.ehlo, then server.startttls. Then I'm logging in using the username and password, and then I'm calling this function of send mail from list, email list, and message, and then I'm quitting. Then mail is being sent. This particular function can be triggered very easily as per your convenience. How I am utilizing it, I'll just show you in the main code. In this main code, first I'm giving it the about section, then in the mail receiver part, by predefined, I'm just giving a placeholder. Predefined, these values are coming, this I'm giving as a default. You can just change it as per your need. Okay, so I'm taking in input as the mail subject and mail to. Okay, then mail attachment, if you want to attach something or not. Based on this checkbox is there. If you want to click on the attachment, you need to upload that particular attachment. If you see here, you can click to upload attachment, and you can upload a particular attachment, and I'm saving that particular attachment at some particular location. Then once you click to proceed, I'm generating a particular mail content. Once that mail content is done, and I'm giving a send button here. Okay, so I'll just show, if I'm not giving any attachment, I'm clicking on click to proceed, then I'm giving a body part, and then I'm giving a button. Once this is the htdot button, you can, instead of a button, you can have in your Python script whatever thing is there which will trigger your mail. I'm currently using a button. So in the button, a spinner will run. Okay, and then it will call this particular function of send mail, in which in the recipient's parameter is passed from mail receivers. Okay, subject would be mail subject, mail content, mail from, mail password, and the file path of the attachment. If the attachment is not there, then it would be blank, it would be none. Okay, so these parameters are passed to the send gmail function, and then the mail is triggered. If you like this video, press the like button. Keep updated with my latest videos. Thank you.